birthday, Bambam. Sana lumaki kang magsog. Hindi sakitin. At sana hindi tayo mag-staycation sa actually yung pinaka din yung Kalista eh. Kasi yun yung, ang meaning kasi ng Kalista is most beautiful. Kaya yun yung pinangalan ko sa kanya. Bam Bam, sorry kung hindi mabigay lahat ni Daddy yung gusto mo. Bam Bam, I promise you that lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay, gusto mong mangyari sa buhay, ay ibibigay namin ni Mama.
Thank you agad ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, thank you Lord. Kasi kahit sobrang hirap na pinagdaanan namin, kasi may mga trials kami, binigay mo sa akin yung thank you na to. Kahit sobrang hirap, tatanggapin mo.
Happy birthday, Bamba! We love you! Happy birthday, Bamba! We love you! Happy birthday, Bamba! We love you!
Actually, hindi talaga ako yung nag-isip niyan. Siyempre, since na nalaman namin na girl, ang gusto ko talaga, si daddy niya yung mag-iisip ng pangalan para sa kanya. So, yun na, si daddy niya yung nag-isip. Hindi na ako nagtanong kung saan yun nakuha. Pero nung sinabi naman niya sa akin kung ano yung magiging name, wala na akong hesitant na magtanong kung bakit 3. Dahil yun yung gusto niya, since girl nga. Okay na ako sa kanya again.
When the nights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a place and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, just when we know how to dance. Don't need to talk the talk.
lahat nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Actually, hindi naman sa akin namuha na yung ugali niya. Kay daddy niya talaga. Kasi yung pasensya niya sobrang igsi lang talaga. So, parang dalawa na yung kalaban ko. Dalawang mag-ama na. Kaya siguro daddy's girl yung bambam namin eh.
Spread my wings and let go. Something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again. Feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now it begins, now it begins. Now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. I was born to breathe the air and take a road that goes nowhere. I'm ready to live, ready to live, ready to live, ready to live. Like a dove I fly away. Now's the time.
Hindi ka namin ini-spoil. Binibigay lang namin sa'yo kung ano yung deserve mo. Kasi hiniling ka namin kay Lord. After ko makunan, di ba? Hiniling ka namin, lahat ginawa namin para nung dumating ka sa buhay namin.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
Thank you talaga anak kasi dumating ka. Binago mo yung buhay namin mag-ama. Nang ama mo, binago mo yung buhay namin dalawa. Nag-work ako, nag-work kami dahil parehas para sa'yo. Hindi para sa sarili namin, para sa future.